Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And over several days, me and someone have been emailing back and forth. He's needing help on a box, but I couldn't make out how to put the box together by the shapes I had. So just this morning, he sent me a picture of the box, and it's a cigarette box. And I can figure out that this is the back, the side, the front. And if you just need to make it taller, and I think he said, it's been several days, I think he said 3 millimeters taller. We don't need to change this top. We can just move it out of the way. All we need to make is the 4 sides taller. This is really easy. So this is how I put the box together, so I knew it would work. So that's actually the hinge, and it goes down and cross and back up. So I'm going to set my nudge distance on something to move this apart, and just because I don't know millimeters, I'm going to put it on inches for a second, change that to a 1/4 inch. And I'm going to nudge that over 3 times, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to nudge this one over 2, 1, 2, and then nudge this over 1, and now we're all equal. Now I'm going to take a 2-point line, and I'm going to start moving and hold down the control button. My suggestion would be to split one of these joints, preferably right in the middle. Now we're going to see how big this is, and it's 9, almost 10 inches, so we're going to change our nudge factor to 10. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate and move it over. Now we're going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete the top half on that side and the bottom half on this side. Take away our lines and nudge it back over. Now I'm going to change my units to millimeters, and I'm going to change this to 3 millimeters. I'm going to grab the top. You can grab the top by going past into the bottom, but it won't grab the bottom because you're not grabbing it all. And I'm going to nudge it up 3 millimeters. You see where I'm going. Now, hold down the shift key and grab make every one of them show a node. Select all these center nodes and not get any of the other ones. Go to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves, change your nudge factor or your gap tolerance just a little bit more than 3 millimeters. Hit apply, and voila, you have a box. Let me put this back to a 1/4, 0.25. Move that one over 1, 2, 3. And you see it still fits. This gap is wider, big deal. It's a box. Now there's more ways you could do it where you could change all the gaps, but it would take you might as well just start drawing another box. Anyway, I surely hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.